Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Plug an Xbox or PlayStation controller via USB or pair it over Bluetooth. Use Windows Bluetooth settings or a quality USB cable for stable input. Open Steam Big Picture and enable Steam input for the controller profile. If using a wired Xbox controller, it registers as X input automatically. Run Red Dead Redemption 2 with the controller recognized as X input device. Launch the game from Steam to let Steam pass configuration to Rdr2. If the controller does not open settings, then controls, and set control mode to gamepad. Choose the default or a custom layout that matches your controller. Adjust dead zone to 0. 15 to remove stick drift without losing responsiveness. Set look sensitivity near 3. 5 for balanced aiming and comfortable camera speed. Enable aim assist around 25% for smoother targeting with analog sticks. Toggle invert Y only if you prefer reversed vertical aiming. Save your profile and test in free roam before starting missions to verify comfort. Map quick items and consumables to the D-pad for fast access during fights. Use L1 or LB to aim steadily while holding R2 or RT to fire. Lower vibration to around 10% to reduce hand fatigue during long sessions. Bind the weapon wheel and horse whistle to comfortable buttons for quick transitions. Use horse cinematic camera and adjust camera height to a mid-value for better visibility. Save button layouts as a custom profile in Steam for easy reuse across sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.